What's up guys, my name's Micah. So Apple just recently released iPadOS 16.1 to the public and I downloaded it as soon as I could. So in this video I'm going to be going over my picks for the top 5 best features introduced with it. Before we go over those, I just wanted to leave a slight disclaimer that this is a pretty large update as far as storage goes because it was almost 3 gigabytes on my 11-inch M1 iPad Pro with 256 gigabytes. So without any further ado, here's my top 5 picks. Alright, for number 5, I'm going to say proper screen support. Now, before you go scream into the comments that this is a huge update, which it could be for some people, it's just not really for me. My main reason being that I never use an external monitor or a TV as an extra screen. So what that means is that instead of mirroring or doing whatever the heck it used to do where it would just be an extra screen, it will now conform to the shape of your external monitor. Alright, so for number 4, we finally get the weather app on the iPad. So it's not necessarily the biggest deal because it's practically the exact same as what it is on the iPhone, but on your iPad and bigger. For number 3, I'm going to say the Home app. Now, it's not a massive deal, but I think it looks nice and it's great to see all the rooms on one screen instead of having to go to Rooms section at the bottom and then go find something else. For number 2, I will have to say the multiple new features in the Messages app. I know it isn't exclusive to iPadOS, it's also on iOS and macOS, but I think it's still nice to have the edit, unsend, and mark as unread for messages options on your iPad. For the number 1 feature in my opinion, I'm going to have to say Stage Manager. It's such a handy feature and I know I'll definitely be using it a lot in the future for much better multitasking, as well as now it's basically a mini Mac. Maybe. Alright, so this wasn't a normal length video, but I'm still really happy with this update and I'm glad it's here. If you did like today's video, don't forget to drop a like down below and let me know what your favorite features are down in the comments. That's been it for today and I'll catch you guys in the next one.